Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below.
For you all, I hope you are all good. So students, in this video we are discussing important current affairs for the topic awards and recognition for January month. Let's start. The first question is, who became the youngest Indian to ski to South Pole of 2385 meters on 27 December after trekking 115 kilometers in minus 30-degree temperatures and gale force winds while pulling an expedition sled? Right option is Kamya Karthikeyan. Next, name that British Indian comedian and author who was awarded damehood in King Charles III's New Year Honours list as announced in December. Right option is Meera Syal. Correct. Take a note of this. This is in recognition of her outstanding contribution to literature, drama, and charity. Next, name that Navratna Central Public Sector enterprise under the Ministry of Railways that has secured an excellent rating from the Department of Public Enterprise for the fifth consecutive year in Jan 2026. It is Indian Railways Finance Corporation Limited, IRFC. This marks the 50th consecutive year of IRFC to achieve the highest performance rating ever since it was listed. I correct, it is the not 50th, fifth consecutive year that IRFC they have got this highest performance rating ever since they were listed in FY21. Next is, name the person who was awarded the 2026 IEEE Medal of Honor in January for outstanding contributions to the graphics processing units, that is GPUs, and accelerated computing, the highest recognition from IEEE. So name that person who was awarded here. He is Jensen Huang. He is the Chief Executive Officer of Nvidia company, the first company to touch the $5 trillion net worth or market cap. Next, which of the following films is not among the Indian movies that qualified for the Best Pictures eligibility at the 98th Academy Awards, that is the Oscars 2026, as announced in January 26? So among the following, that is not among the Indian movies, so Emergency is not, which is our answer. Rest all are the ones that have been nominated here or qualified. Next, mention the Navratna company that secured an excellent rating in their Memorandum of Understanding Performance Evaluation with the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy for FY25 as announced in January 2026. So mention the Navratna company. It is IREDA, Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited. Next, choose the Indian Stock Exchange that won the Asia Best Employer Brand Award 2026 at the Hong Kong Leadership Award that was held in January 2026. So choose that Indian stock. Right option is BSE Stock Exchange, that is your BSE Stock Exchange Limited. Next is Indian mountaineer Aritra Roy. She successfully summited the Mount Aconcagua, that is in Argentina. I think this is the question asked here. Then Mount Aconcagua is located in which country? It is located in Argentina. Next is, name the Indian officer who won the UN Secretary General's Award in the gender category for the project Equal Partners Lasting Peace. So right option is Major Swathi Shanta Kumar. Next is, name the American biologist who won the 2026 Tyler Prize for Environmental Achievement in January for shedding light on the role of hidden mycorrhizal fungal network in carbon recycling and nutrients exchange. So right option is Toby Kears. Next is, which Indian IT service company ranked third globally in the Brand Finance Global 526 report released in January, while Accenture has topped the list here? It is Infosys. Next, who became the first and only Indian to receive the Wiley Research Heroes Prize in the category Impact Beyond Academia? So right option is Dr. Chandrakant Laharia. Next, which police force was conferred with the President's Police Color Award, that is Nishan, for outstanding service, professionalism and dedication, and becoming the 15th state and third in the Northeast to receive it? So the police force here is Sikkim Police. Next, the Ministry of Home Affairs announced the Padma Awards 26 in January. Which of the following statement are incorrect regarding the awardees and their respective fields? Among the following, we have to find the incorrect answer. So option C is incorrect. Here it is saying Suresh Raina and Smriti Mandana were conferred with the Padma Shri for their contribution in athletics. So no, Rohit Sharma and Harmanpreet Kaur, they were honored with the Padma Shri for their contribution to athletics. Next, who among the following was awarded the Ashoka Chakra in January after the approval of Gallantry Awards 26 by President Draupadi Murmu Ma'am in recognition of exceptional courage and becoming the first Indian to visit the International Space Station, that is ISS. So, Group Captain Subhanshu Shukla here was awarded with the Ashoka Chakra. Next, which of the following award was not approved by the President of India Draupadi Murmu Ma'am in January as a part of the 2026 Gallantry and Distinguished Service Awards for Indian Coast Guard personals? Right option is Shaurya Chakra. So these were your important current affairs. Now let's move to the revision part, students. India been re-elected for the category B of the IMO Council during the 34th session was held in London, UK in December. So India was elected here for 26-27 term, right? And this newly elected council will meet for 136th session and will elect its chair and vice chair for the next biennium. Next, according to the 66th edition of the India Tourism Data Compendium released by the Ministry of Tourism, which state led India in attracting the foreign tourists in 2024? It is Maharashtra state. Then Maharashtra was on the top position, followed by West Bengal on second, then UP, then it is Gujarat, and then Rajasthan. Next, in November, ISRO's chairman V. Narayan has inaugurated India's first private navigation hub, the Anand Center of Excellence for Navigation. This was inaugurated where? In Trivandrum, Kerala. Next, name the mobile application that was launched by the National Industries Research and Development Council in November as Unified Single Window Digital Platform for MSMEs. So name that mobile application. It is IND app. IND app, that is India's Industrial Empowerment Application. Moving on, the 26th Hornbill Festival held from 1st to 10th of December at Kisama Heritage Village in Kohima, Nagaland featured 6 international partner countries. Which of the following is not one of them? Here, Japan is not one of the countries here. Next, for which term India was re-elected to the UNESCO Executive Board during the 43rd General Conference held in Samarkand, Uzbekistan? It was for the term 2025 to 2029. The announcement came during the 43rd UNESCO General Conference that was held in Samarkand. Next, select the organization that granted the accreditation to the 18 newly notified accredited prospecting agencies recognized by the Ministry of Coal in November. If we see here, select that organization. It is Quality Council of India, National Accreditation Board of Education and Training. Next is name the state where Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has inaugurated the Semiconductor Process Gallery and Paragnath Semiconductor Training Lab in November month. Which is that state where this was inaugurated? It was in Punjab. Take a note of this, in Mohali. Next, name the organization under the Ministry of Earth Science whose 25-year milestone was honored with a commemorative postage stamp released by India Post in December. It is National Center for Polar and Ocean Research. Next, which of the following statements are correct regarding the Prime Minister Narendra Modi or for Prime Minister's Award for Excellence in Public Administration approved by the Government of India? If we look at the option here, we have to find the correct statement. Option A is right, B is right, C is wrongly mentioned. C is saying each award includes a trophy, a scroll and 10 lakh rupees as an incentive support for the project implementation. Is it so? Not 10 lakh rupees but 20 lakh rupees incentive support here. Now option C is right. Next, which state government launched the Mukhyamantri Bharat Darshan Yojana in December to provide secondary school students with educational tours showcasing India's historical, cultural and natural heritage? It is Bihar. Then next is, which of the following is not among the 3 Doppler weather radar locations announced for the Uttarakhand during the World Summit on Disaster Management? So, which of the following is not among the 3 Doppler weather locations here? So, among the following, Ranikhet is not that location, which is our answer. Next, identify the year that has been fixed as the target by the Government of India to achieve 5% sustainable aviation fuel blending target for international flights as announced by the Union Minister of State for Civil Aviation, Muralidhar Mahal. So the target year is 2030. Next, name the organization that unveiled India's new seismic map in November, which placed entire Himalayan arc under the highest risk zone 6 category. So, which is that organization? It is BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard. They have unveiled this new India seismic map. Next, identify the telecom company that signed an MOU with the National Highways Authority of India in December to deploy telecom-based safety alerts across national highways. So, which is that company, telecom company? It is Reliance Jio Infocom Limited. And this MOU aims to enhance highway safety by providing timely alerts to the national highway users, helping them make informed decisions and drive more safely. Next, in which 2 regions did Sakar Taxi Cooperative Limited began the soft launch of the Bharat Taxi, making the start of the beta consumer trials for India's first driver-owned national mobility cooperative in December? So, in which 2 regions did Sakar Taxi Cooperative Limited began the soft launch here? So, it was in Delhi and Gujarat. Next, what is the new name given by the Government of India in December to the Prime Minister's Office complex, previously known as the Executive Enclave, to promote citizen first, service oriented governance? So, it is Seva Tirth. Next, where did Odisha's Chief Minister Mohan Charan Manji inaugurated the 15th International Sand Art Festival organized by the Department of Tourism here? So, where did Odisha's Chief Minister Mohan Charan Manji inaugurated the 15th International Sand Art Festival? So, where was this? It was at the Konark Sun Temple that is located in Odisha. Next, which airport became India's first high capacity facility to be certified as the water positive by the Confederation of Indian Industry, right? And their institute, Triveni Water Institute. See, basically water positive, what does this mean? Water positive means that the amount of water they are consuming is less as compared to the water that they are releasing in the environment, right? So here, which is that airport? It is Indira Gandhi International Airport of New Delhi that has been granted the certified as the water positive. Next, in December, Union Minister Annapurna Devi has launched 100 days intensive awareness campaign for child marriage free Bharat in New Delhi to mark the first anniversary of Bal Vivah Mukt Abhiyan. And all states are working together with the objective of reducing the child marriage rates now below 5%, and the target here is for this is 2029. Next, identify the organization that collaborated with the Niti Aayog's Frontier Tech Hub in December to unveil the roadmap aimed at making India a top 3 quantum economy by 2047. It is International Business Machines Corporation. Next, which organization partnered with Atal Innovation Mission in December to jointly develop MStar TM Global AI Connect platform that unifies students, educators, institutions and industry to accelerate India innovation? So, which organization partnered here with Atal Innovation Mission? It is Hitachi MGRM Net Limited. Take a note of this. Then next is, mark the correct statement regarding the Russian President Vladimir Putin's visit to India in December to attend the 23rd India-Russian Annual Summit. Here if we look at the option A, B and C, all 3 of them are rightly meant.